we'll guide you through how to collaborate with Asana AI teammates seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Asana website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to collaborate with AI teammates. On the left sidebar, you'll see the list of projects. Click on the project to open it. Now, look for the Add Teammate button, which should be visible at the top right of your project dashboard. Click on it, and you'll see an option to add AI teammates. Choose the AI teammate option and select the specific AI you want to collaborate with. Asana provides different AI options tailored for tasks like scheduling, analysis, or brainstorming, so pick the one that best suits your project needs. After selecting, you can assign tasks to your AI teammate just like you would with a human teammate. Simply click on a task, and in the Assignee field, you can choose the AI you've added. You can also set due dates and priorities for tasks involving AI. This allows the AI to prioritize and manage tasks efficiently. Make sure to utilize the AI's capabilities by asking it to generate ideas or analyze data directly within the comments section of any task. Just type @ followed by the AI's name and your request. The AI will then provide suggestions or feedback right there in the task. This integration is a great way to streamline your workflow, especially if you're dealing with complex projects that require a lot of data handling or creative input. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.